welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video, which is going to be another makeup tutorial. I'm really liking these videos. I'm really liking doing makeup tutorials, even though they're like 3 hours long. They take 3 hours long to film, just because you guys know I do English and Spanish, but I love it. This tutorial was requested over on my Spanish channel to do a tutorial for the look I had in my March favorites. So this is the look I had. It's a bit more glam than that day. I couldn't remember the foundation and concealer that I used, and today's looks very like full coverage glam. And the eyes are just a bit deeper, but it's okay. You can tone it down to your liking. And yeah, the palette that I used in that video is this Maybelline palette. I'm just obsessed with this palette. It's the Nudes of New York. It's absolutely stunning. You can, as you can see, you can pair these colors with anything you want, any color you want, to make it more glam, more colorful, more dramatic. You can also use just this palette to do something very dramatic. I really like this palette. And then the star of the show, if you guys can't see it glimmering and shimmering already, is the Stila Stay All Day Liquid brain fart, liquid glitter liquid eyeshadow. It's a liquid eyeshadow in the color Infinite. This shade is absolutely stunning. I don't have any purple base, any base to help this color. I just did a color in the crease and popped this baby on, and it is so beautiful. It just has a lot of different little sparkles, and I love that you can pair this with a green, with a blue, whatever color you want. This purple is beautiful. And yeah, that's basically it for the intro to this video, because there isn't much I have to say other than I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. If you would like to see it, then just keep on watching. I finished the other eye off camera, applied some lashes just to make it a little bit quicker. I'm just wearing some Ardell Wispies just because, girl, I ain't going nowhere. Nowhere but to the sala, so I don't feel like wasting a use on my good favorite lashes because I'm running very low, which you guys know are the Lashes by T, absolute favorite lashes. This is what they look like. I wear them all the time, but I'm trying to save some uses on those for when all of this is over and we can go out and be wearing lashes to the grocery store. Let's move on to this mug because it needs some help. So I'm going to be using my Farsali liquid glass, which looks like this. If it'll focus, there we go. And this is a Radiance Make Skin Serum. So it's a serum. I like it that it gives my skin hydration, and that's what I like about it. For primer, I'm going to be using my Tatcha Silk Canvas just because I've been using the e.l.f. ones a lot, and you guys know this is like a ride or die for me, so I just felt like using it today. Going to my stash of makeup that I'm limiting myself to use so that I can get the most use out of these products and use them up before they go bad. I chose the Makeup Revolution foundation. This is the Conceal and Define Full Coverage foundation in the shade F7. I would say it's a pinch too light for me, but when I ordered it, or when I purchased it, I don't know if I ordered it. I think I ordered it online at Ulta. They didn't have 7.5, which I feel like is going to be a perfect match for me. So I have to get through this one. Okay guys, we need to do a little pause. I am going to combine this foundation, mix it with a deeper one because this just looks way too white. You can clearly tell, or maybe it's just me and I see it that way in my monitor, but I feel like it looks too white. I'm going to mix in the Maybelline Dream Urban Cover Full Coverage Foundation in the shade 220 Natural Beige, just because I feel like we look a little too ghostly with this foundation. For concealer, I chose the Milani Conceal and Perfect Longwear Concealer. I was going to use it the other day, but I used a new concealer, so I was like, I still want to use this one. Was in between powders, but I decided to use this one from Juno&co, which I haven't used here on my channel. I think I never gave you guys a review. I think I need to give this a fair shot, so we're going to really see how it works out today. I have two of them because they actually sent me one on accident. Like, they sent me the wrong one when I placed my order. They sent me the Brighten, yeah, the Brighten powder, and this is called Airbrush. So you guys can see the shade difference. This is the Brighten one. It's a little more yellow. This one is just like white. You guys can tell right there. Okay, guys, I went ahead and did my makeup. You guys did see I had a little mishap right there. That the Makeup Revolution foundation was a bit too ghostly, so I just combined it with this one, which I feel like looks much better than just the Makeup Revolution. Now this powder, I hadn't really tried it out and actually, you know, gave it a good chance, but today seeing how it went on, and it's very, very fine, very, very fine, and I actually like that a lot because it doesn't look super heavy under the eyes and it doesn't feel heavy. It gave that blurred look and I really like it. So for contour, blush, and highlighter, we're going to be using one palette because this is just my favorite Physicians Formula palette. It's their Butter Collection times Wei Li Huang. I hope I'm pronouncing her name correctly, but she did a collaboration. This palette is amazing. I love it. It has 2 bronzers, 2 blush, 2 highlighters, and I absolutely love them. So that's what we're going in with. All right, last step is lips. I did, recolor my eyebrows just because when I did my foundation, I did apply a little bit over them. So I'm going to do a nude glossy lip again. I know I feel like you guys are probably like, stop doing that. Go back to liquid lipsticks. But in that look that I did for my March favorites, which was a requested look over on my Spanish channel, I was wearing a very nude glossy lip. So that's what we're going to be doing. I'm going to apply my Becky G Times ColourPop lip liner in the color Muñeca, and this is a nude lip liner. Use whichever one you have. This one isn't available anymore, but it's my absolute favorite, so that's why I keep using it. Then we are going to fill in with the Artist Couture Uncensored 2.0 lip gloss. This is one of my absolute favorites as well. You guys know this lip combo is very extra. I don't need this other one, but we are doing the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the shade Fussy because this combo is perfection for me. I love it. All right, guys, what did you think of this look? Did you like it? Let me know your thoughts. I really like the purple makeup look, and it's a look I decided to do because it was requested over on my Spanish channel, and since I was already going to film it for my Spanish channel, I decided to film it for you guys as well. I really like the purple glitter look of this look. That Stila Infinite liquid eyeshadow is gorgeous. I mean, it just sparkles so beautifully. This nude lip combo, I need to hide these products because it's the only nude lip combo I've been using, and I know you guys are probably tired of it, but I feel like it just goes so well with this style of look, which came out a little more dramatic than how I had it in my March favorites. But yeah, overall, I really liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you guys are enjoying the tutorials. I'm really in the mood just to film tutorials, and that's okay. I'm going to keep on that little bandwagon. Over on my Spanish channel, I was also requested to do a cleaning my brushes, or how I clean my brushes, my makeup brushes. Let me know if you guys are interested in that video because, girl, these brushes, it's like long overdue for a wash. All of them are just long overdue. Look at these face brushes. I need to wash these already. Like, it's crazy. I need to get to that, but let me know if you guys would like me to film that for you guys and show you the products I use. I've gone through a lot of different cleaning products for brushes, and I feel like I'm set on some really good ones that really get all the gunk out of your brushes, don't make them stiff and all of that jazz. So let me know in the comment section down below if you guys would like to see it. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like if you like this video, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.